Take a look at this lady. Just in case you don't know what you look like when you spend time looking down on your phone while doing practically everything. This is tech neck or text neck. This posture not only destroys your jawline when you're looking down on your phone all day, but the muscles in the upper back part of your neck become long and weaker than the front of your neck muscles. They become shorter and tighter. The distance between your chin and neck reduces, giving you a double chin appearance if you have a heavy face. But if you have a skinny face, you'll notice deep folds and loose turkey neck skin that hangs between your chin and neck. In short, you don't see a defined chin and a jawline because now it is hidden somewhere in there. And then because we do this so often, what happens is when you want to look back up, now these muscles have become so tight and rigid and these have become loose that we actually compensate with some of the lower neck at the back and some of the upper back muscles rather than actually using the muscles that you were supposed to, because now there is no balance between the front and back neck muscles to maintain the right posture where your ears should be in line with your shoulders. So you end up with this weak jaw all the time because of this bad posture. If you've seen my face yoga playlist on YouTube, I want you to write what is that one muscle that can literally work 24/7 to define your chin and reshape your jawline. So in today's lesson, I want you to try 3 things to start seeing a difference in your aging neck appearance. Follow the exercises and neck massage techniques for the duration that I mentioned in today's video. There is also going to be a bonus skincare treatment at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video. If you enjoy doing my facial workouts and want to see prominent results within a month with just about 3 minutes of neck workout per day with me, then purchase my Queen Neck program. Do you associate Queen with a droopy, sloppy neck posture or with a powerful posture that comes from her neck? Expect exercises, massages, floor work, lifestyle changes, neck care products, strength training, neck cardio, flexibility exercises, draining toxins, neck slimming, front and back neck balance, face and neck posture, reduction in double chin, reduced neck tension, and so much more from this program. That's not it. There is a big bonus. Everyone who purchases this package or any of my face yoga packages before this date will get to join a complimentary online live Zoom workshop with me, which would otherwise be $97 for those who actually want to purchase and join. There are more bonuses that you can find when you click on the link below this video. With that said, let's get started with the first movement. I call this double chin contraction. Place your thumbs under your chin and the rest of your fingers around your hairline for stability and support. Now use your strength to push your head down on your thumbs. You will immediately feel that your neck muscles in front are getting involved, as well as the neck muscles at the back too. It depends on your neck strength how long you can hold this for. If you are new to doing something like this, then do it just for about 3 seconds and release. But with time, you'll be able to hold this posture for a little bit longer. So hold for about 5 to 6 seconds and release. The idea is to limit your repetitions to not more than 30 seconds. So if you are able to hold it for 5 seconds, then do no more than 6 repetitions as a beginner. Next, tap and relax your neck muscles for about 30 seconds because your neck will experience a little bit of strain if you're new to this exercise. Next is a neck elongating movement. Neck long, back erect and shoulders down. Don't relax in this posture. I want you to feel like you're using your shoulders, chest and neck muscles to pull your lower body away from your neck and your head. This creates an appearance of a long, slender neck. And just holding this for a few seconds in itself is an exercise to improve your scrunch tech neck appearance. But we are moving forward from here. Stretching can help to lengthen a tight and compressed neck. So do this. Begin a neck stretch by sitting erect on a chair or stand straight. Exhale and gently pull your head back as if you're a turtle. Draw your chin towards your chest, lengthening your rear neck muscles. Inhale and raise your head forward, moving your chin slightly towards the ceiling and elongating your neck muscles in the front of your neck. Repeat this kind of like a nodding motion slowly for about 5 repetitions. Make sure to go slow enough that you finish this exercise in about 15 to 20 seconds, not too fast. For the next movement, grab your favorite oil because you don't want to perform any massages on dry skin. Now between your two bent fingers, grab this muscle that pops up behind your ear and massage it down all the way to your collarbone, starting from right this area, right behind your ears, right from here, down. If you look straight and try to grab it, it may be hard to find it. So turn your head to the left to find the correct spot on the right side of your neck. Do check my neck massage video that gives you more advanced level massages to elongate the side neck muscles. I will link this video in the description below and up here too. This movement not only helps you drain the toxins out, but it also helps you with the wrinkles that have started to develop on the sides of your neck, like you saw in the initial video clip of that lady. My face yoga program offers properly structured exercises and massages in a sequence that are designed for your specific aging concerns. So do check out all those programs in the description below to support my platform so that I can keep teaching you and save you money with self-transformation videos. Do consider becoming a paying and supporting member. As a paying supporting member, you get additional perks that no one else does. I have all my social media handles dedicated to helping you keep up with my content. So you can follow me on Facebook fan page, Instagram, TikTok, Amazon storefront, and YouTube Shorts too. I haven't forgotten, I did tell you there will be a special additional skincare tip that I want you to follow. I want you to take honey. Something as simple as honey can be miraculous. Just take 2 to 3 drops of honey, mix it with a little bit of water and start tapping on your neck. After you finish your neck massages, you finish your facial exercises when your neck muscles are all strained. When you start massaging, initially it will feel very soothing, but very soon you will start to feel that stinging feeling in your neck. This is when the water content from the honey has started to dry and it's just the honey that's left. Now, every time you snap, that honey pulls away from your skin. It almost pulls and lifts your skin with every stroke, with every tap. After you tap for about 100 taps, leave that honey onto your skin for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure you don't again get back to your tech neck posture. Keep your neck erect for as long as possible during that duration and then wash it off. Honey is a humectant, it draws moisture. Your neck is drying, your skin is drying, but you take better care of your skin with your skincare products, but most people ignore their neck. With this one treatment, you will actually land up hydrating your neck skin as well. Follow this up with your same serum and moisturizer that you use on your face. Do not ignore your neck and chest care. If you like that tip, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next week. Until then, raise that neck like a queen and continue to blush with me.